Have you ever wondered, does he love me, or is he just playing games? You're not alone. Many women struggle to figure out whether a man is truly in love or just enjoying the moment. But here's the good news, men show their love in specific ways. In this video, we'll reveal 5 powerful signs that prove a man is deeply in love with you. If he says these things, you know he's serious. By the end of this video, you'll be able to answer the question, is he falling for me, or is he wasting my time? So stick around, because you don't want to miss this. Before we dive in, comment below, I'm ready, if you're excited to find out if your man is truly in love. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss new dating and relationship advice. Now, let's get into it. 1. How are you feeling? When a man loves you, he genuinely cares about your emotions. This isn't just small talk, he wants to know if you're happy or upset because men feel valued when they protect and provide for the woman they love. If he checks in on you regularly and makes an effort to brighten your day, it's a strong sign he truly loves you and sees you as part of his future. Dating tip: if he never asks how you feel, he may not be emotionally invested. Look for a man who genuinely cares about your well-being. 2. Why do you feel that way? This question shows deep emotional connection. He's not just asking about your feelings, he wants to understand them. If he's invested in your emotions and wants to know if he contributed to them, positively or negatively, it means he cares about your happiness. This is a key sign of emotional maturity and commitment. 3. What do you want or prefer? If a man truly loves you, he wants to make you happy and seeks clarity on how to do that. Men aren't mind readers, so when he asks about your preferences, whether it's about food, vacations, or life goals, it's because he's trying to create a relationship where you feel valued. If he actively considers your opinions, it's a sign he sees you as his long-term partner. How to tell if a man is in love? Pay attention to how often he prioritizes your happiness over his own convenience. 4. I love spending time with you. When a man is in love, he won't just say, I love you, he'll show it through his actions. If he tells you he loves hanging out with you, making memories, and experiencing life together, it's a huge sign he's serious about you. He enjoys your presence and sees you as a priority. Relationship tip: if he consistently chooses to spend time with you, it means you're important to him. If he always seems too busy, he might not be as invested as you think. 5. How was your day? This might seem simple, but consistent communication is key in a loving relationship. If he asks about your day and genuinely listens to your answers, it means he's interested in your life beyond just your relationship. He wants to be a part of your world, not just a temporary fling. Signs he's serious about you: he remembers the little details about your day and follows up on things you mentioned before. This shows he truly listens and cares. Bonus: I want you to feel safe. This is one of the strongest signs that a man is deeply in love. If he expresses that he wants to protect you, support you, and make you feel secure in the relationship, he's taking his role as a partner seriously. Pro tip: let him know when he makes you feel safe. This boosts his confidence and strengthens your bond. Conclusion. So, does your man say these things? If yes, congratulations, he truly loves you. If not, don't worry. Relationships take time to grow, and communication is key. Comment below, which of these signs have you noticed in your relationship? If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs to hear this. Stay tuned for more powerful dating and relationship advice for women. Until next time, take care.